So we're out in the Black Hills, riding side by side from the wilderness edge. I'm gonna shoot some video and check it out.
Can't stop it, ain't no one on my level, ain't no one on the span of this. Regardless what they take, we're taking it back into the beginning. When I'm just killing them with the battle raps, be rapping on it when I'm coming, they can handle that.
I hope they're paying attention when they're driving.
Try to let me hide, then these people gotta kill all that. Sometimes I brag about how real I rap. Now I try to say I'm humble too, and then I realize my hypocrisy and try to shake it at me. And these rappers all around me like, what's up with you? So you just don't get it. Killing on my flesh, born again in the spirit, feeling trying to get near it. So every time I sin, I gotta whip and powers to it, try to prove it. 180, try the other way and clear it. That's repentance, homie. I'm 21, so you to think I learned my lesson, homie. Doing all the junk I did and suffering the consequences of my actions. Ain't no wonder why I'm asking for forgiveness, cause I need it by myself, I'm defeated. But then my God is for me, who can stand against me? I did the nigga lies, sinking smooth stones into the industry forehead. Moving more bad after which got with the wiggle winner in the orbit. It's getting chilly now, cause once I talk about my faith, then y'all don't feel me now. But who's faking, boy, enlighten me? You coming with that water, but you can't put that light at me. In spite of the audacity, you're trying to break me down. There's some people that are used to know what ain't around now. Either cause they think it's stupid, cause the way I'm living, or they always guess me up, steady get you forehand now. Y'all don't feel me, but yo, we in it for the long haul, buddy. I got this something that no normal man can take it from me. All day and night, we're putting in that word I can't get.
We obviously want to move out here into the mountains. We're not picky on where, just anywhere where we can get away from people and ride side by side and just do this all the time.
Pray, my God, will you answer, will you show me down your way, my God, give me strength so that I can escape, my God, I'm just asking that you take away this weight, my God, when I pray, my God, will you answer, will you show me down your way, my God, give me strength so that I can escape, my God, I'm just asking that you take away this weight, my God.